Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Let's go. Hi, this is Jake Bautista and we'd like to welcome you to a brand new MetroGuide Realty house tour. Today we are presenting a modern 4-bedroom house and lot for sale located here in BF Homes, Paranaque City. So this property has a floor area of 345 square meters and a lot area of 240 square meters, and it's very well planned. Let's begin by taking a look here at the parking space. Upon entering the house, you have a spacious covered carport area for 2 vehicles, and you have an open front porch area that's already tiled. So the house just finished construction, that's why the landscaping has just been laid out. You have access here towards the side of the house, and you have a landscape area there heading towards the service area. Here's another angle. The orientation of the house is southwest. You have the security grills already, and let's head on in. Now, welcome to your beautiful home. Welcome to your main living space. The first thing that I noticed upon entering this area is the high ceiling. You have cove lighting over here, plenty of natural light with the windows all throughout both sides of the area. You have a screen door here and a sliding door. Leads out to a side patio space. You can have a table here and a chair. This is a nice reading nook, and perhaps even an additional barbecue area if you're having family gatherings. You have access straight to the parking area. For additional security, you can close this off. Now from this angle, you see the open plan design of the ground level. Where you are, that's where the main living area is, and this is where your dining space is. You see you have space enough here for a table for about 6 or even 8 people. And if you have a sliding door on the other side you have another one. So you have ventilation flowing through the entire living and dining spaces. So when you open both, you have all that air flowing in. Okay. And then access again towards the side of the house. And of course, your kitchen area. You have these pendant lights. You see the house just finished. That's why you still have this wrapping here. You have an island countertop here. Well laid out, spacious, high ceiling, plenty of storage. This is where you can have your oven and plenty of pantry space here on the other side. And you can have the biggest refrigerator here, plenty of space. And you have access here towards your service area. The layout is very easy to navigate. There are no areas that feel cramped at all. Even the service area is covered, but it's very well organized You have a tiled sink space here for heavy washing, and you can have your washing machine on this side. And if you're curious what this is a rainwater collection system. And you get to store all of that here, and you can use it to water your plants and have additional water, so that saves you on your water bill also. And this is your staff room. I'll walk in. So you see the space. Okay. 2 windows on both sides, well ventilated and well lit. Okay. This is the bathroom for your staff room. Just a quick look. And then here, you have natural light and then an additional water collection system. This window and sliding door here leads to the first room, which we will explore from the inside. The house is very bright, very minimalist in terms of the colors. The flooring is also very easy to clean with the marble design. And if you're wondering, where is the powder room? Well, here it is. This is a cool design. They have a high ceiling here also. And if you're thinking, how about the circuit breakers? You have them also here. That's a cool feature. And of course, you have your first room right here. Welcome to the first room. This can be a dense space. This is a fantastic size for a ground floor room. This isn't a room na parang dinagdag lang nila or hinabol. You can make this even a master bedroom because of the size. This can fit even a king-sized bed. And another great feature of this room is it has this patio space leading to the garden area, which we saw before. If you want, after you purchase this home, you want to repurpose this to have a water feature like a wall fountain with the sound of water running while you're relaxing here. That's just another idea. And then on this side, you have an ensuite bathroom, floor-to-ceiling tiles, tempered glass shower enclosure, there, with a modern look also. So you see how bright this first room is? Okay, now let's head on over towards the second level where we have 3 rooms. The stairs are easy to climb. Hindi mataas yung steps. In addition, you have a CCTV system already for the house. For here, this is a common area also, and for the parking area downstairs. Here you have 3 rooms and a balcony. Let's begin here with the second bedroom. So this bedroom is facing the east side of the property. That's why they made sure to have even a corner window here so you can maximize the light in the morning. And hindi nila tinipid yung cabinetry. You have a dresser space. I like how pulido they designed the cabinets. Very well crafted. The flooring is a tiled design with a wooden design. So it has that natural look, but it's very easy to maintain. It also has an ensuite bathroom. On the left side is the bath space, and on the right side is your sink area. Now follow me. So the hallway still feels very well ventilated because you have the staircase running through here. So you have all that air flowing from the ground level. And here you have the master bedroom. Of course, easily it's the biggest room in the house. And you can maximize it because it has a balcony outside here. So you can access it through the sliding door. Plenty of space. This is where you have access. These wires are for the CCTV system. Okay. And here's the great part of this primary room. You have your walk-in closet space. Check this out, guys. Look at how spacious it is. This is what I call a room in itself. You can have a large bench here in the middle so that you can sit down while you're putting on your shoes or even rest. And you have two tempered glass enclosures here. This is where you have your shower, and then this is where you have your water closet. This is a nice feature. They made this frosted glass for privacy, so that you can have someone using the bathroom here outside, but someone's doing their business there also, but there's privacy and plenty of storage all throughout. There, you can put your bags here. Let's take a moment to just appreciate the size of this area. Okay? And you have a dresser space here. Just as an idea, you already have a large mirror for your dual vanity sink space, but just in case you'd like, you can replace these doors in the future with a full-length mirror as well. Okay? So, very ideal walk-in closet space and bath area. Now let's take a look here at your fourth room. Now, speaking of features, this entire property already has multi-point heaters for the bathrooms of all the bedrooms. And even the second level has a great ceiling height as well. Very well lit. I noticed all the three rooms have this corner window. That's why they're also bright. And also the dresser space. And an ensuite bathroom. Once again, similar design as the previous bathrooms. Of course, very big difference versus the walk-in closet and bath space of the master, but still very well designed. Let's complete this tour by taking a look at the balcony space. I like this balcony space because you can have a table here, a couple of chairs, and it has privacy in terms of the angle from the street. Because of the covering of the parking area, you can't clearly be seen from the street. So even if you're hanging out here and relaxing in the evenings, you can't be easily seen by your neighbors who are passing there. So that's a great feature. Because what's the use of a balcony if you can't use it privately, right? So, okay, and that ends our quick tour. If you want to know more about this property or visit it in person, just click the description below where you can get in touch with us through our email and number shown there. You can also follow us and send us a message through Instagram and Facebook. And if you have a property that you'd like to feature through our channel, you can contact us through our email, metroguiderealty@gmail.com. Once again, my name is Jake Bautista. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you clarity, quality, and convenience in finding a great Metro Manila home for you and your family.
Contact us today in the email and number shown here to schedule a property viewing. You can also click the description below for the property details. Don't forget to click that subscribe button so that you can get notified of our future videos. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to bringing you and your family a great Metro Manila home.